Hey, did you know you can watch my videos in any languages? Like Russian, Arabic, Hebrew, Indian languages, and many other languages on the list. Go ahead and try it. There's new quests that will give you 700 orbs. Watch the full video to know how to claim it, and make sure not to skip it, otherwise you can't find it. So this quest is from Amazon, but open the video and watch the full quest. Make sure to not move out of the page because there's a tracker. You can use my trick by dragging the video's frame to the end and cheat the system. But if you can't do it for some reason, no need to do it. There we have it. Once we finished the CAPTCHA, I got 20,000 orbs. That's because I never used orbs before. Now remember, here's the reason why I add free Nitro in my thumbnail. You should be having enough orbs to get a 3-day Nitro from the shop. Just make sure to not purchase more than one at the same time, because Discord has explicitly stated that the Nitro won't stack. If you want Orbs link, just join my Discord server. Go to Help Desk channel. This channel is under Main Chat channel. You can ask the bot where you can find the Orbs link in this server. She will guide you properly, as I've trained her. If you want an AI chatbot helper too, just watch this video. Last but not least, you can join my Discord server if you want decors and layouts for your Discord server. You can see we got so many decor channels like banners, PNG, and the list goes on. Come here and check it out for yourself. And anyway, if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button because it's completely free.